Can I use AI to build my app? It's a question I started getting this year very frequently. So the short answer and the most accurate answer I can give you at this point in time, after a lot of tests, after a lot of conversations and so on, is that no, not yet. It is not yet capable now in Q3 of 2025, I believe, is this year. In Q3 of 2025, it's still not capable, right? It might be capable next year, right? 2026, mid 2026 or something, but right now it's not. And I don't know how much it will cost once it becomes capable, because the reason why app development and website development AI tools are so cheap now, or one of the main reasons, is because people know they're not very good, right? And even their developers know, even though they market them, like, oh my god, it's amazing, and people put money in them, in those ventures like there's no tomorrow. It's still not there. So a few things that it has as issues. Number one, it hallucinates. Hallucination in the world of AI means that it thinks it can do things, but it actually cannot. It hallucinates the result. It says, you ask it, please create a membership website, and then it creates membership website, and then you say, please create a login button on this page. And it says the login button has been created. And then you go onto the page and there's no login button. It literally just hallucinated that it did that. I can't explain this. I don't have enough time in the short video to explain it, but it just thinks it can do things and it cannot, because it's made to be polite, and it's made to say yes, 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 and I'll help, and then this is the solution, and so on. Number two, everything it creates is a black box. You have no idea what it did, and it might have written hundreds of thousands of lines of code, and not any developer that looks at it will be able to very easily determine let's say the scope of all of that code, right? You would need a professional developer to take a look at it for many hours or many days to determine where issues might occur and so on, which leads me perfectly to step number 3, or to point 3, which is that in most cases it cannot fix itself. Again and again, it can say that I have fixed myself. Like, you can say, this is a bug, fix this, and then say that, and then it tells you that the bug is fixed. However, it hallucinated the resolution of the bug. It didn't actually fix it. It just found a patch, or maybe it didn't do anything. So that doesn't help at all. And there are various other things. I won't bore you with the details, but for now, it is not safe to build your app with AI. You can only still do it with developers. Developers might use AI, and they do use AI to find solutions, creative solutions. AI is just faster. Its cogs just move faster. So if the developer has an issue, typically they prompt AI. AI gives them ideas, and then with those ideas, they can much faster and much quicker develop whatever they need to do, or fix whatever they need to fix. So right now there's still a dependency on developers, and we have that dependency. We don't mind, because obviously we've been working with developers for over 15 years. So if you have any other questions around developing ideas, systems for your business, or anything of the such, ping me, write me a message. I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you so much, and have an amazing day. Bye.